Good evening. I'm Katunde Brendan. We are Group 22 Machine Learning. Our title is Graph-Based Registration for Unsupervised East Coast Fever Detection. We are going to start with the key partners for our business canvas model. So the key partners are actually the agencies or the parties we shall be working with for our better work over the model. We have the veterinary institutions and universities. These ones can be used to provide some information about the East Coast fever and how the detection can be better improved. You have the data providers, for example, the livestock health records and research data sets. These ones we shall be using their data sets to better improve our model as we can feed more data with our model. And then the government and NGOs supporting livestock health. These ones can support us through various ways, for example, fundings or promotion of our model API. Then we have the field veterinarians and livestock extension farmers. These ones we shall be working them as they can provide the feedback on how to better improve the model. And then we have the key activities. These are the essential activities that we actually need to do so to better improve and maintain our machine learning model. We have the data collection, cleaning, and pre-processing, as it is a very essential step in developing and training our models. We have the model training, optimization using the graph neural networks. We have the deployment of AI detection models via MLflow and FastAPI. We have actually deployed it on cloud as it can be accessed by various users that have access. And then you have continuous improvement based on the veterinary feedback to better improve the model and the results. And then you have integration with veterinary diagnostic tools, as the API can be integrated with their tools and it can serve their results depending on the inputs they have put. And then we have the value propositions. These ones can be better explained as the qualities shall be actually putting in front as we deliver the model. We have actually an disease detection, as it is very essential in controlling and management this ECF disease. We have reduction in reliance on expensive labs, as this API can be charged relatively cheaply per use of the API. And then you have rapid diagnosis results in minutes. The results can be put in, the data can be put in, and then the results are provided immediately through the API. And then the scalability and rural and remote areas via mobile apps. As we have already created the API, can be integrated into various mobile applications. And then we have disease tracking and monitoring and mapping of this spread to better understand how this ECF disease actually spreads. And then you have customer relationships. These are ways how we shall be communicating with our customers and then getting feedbacks from them. Automated self-service dashboards for veterinary clinics. Here we can provide a dashboard on our app to provide feedback about the performance of our model. And then AI-powered integration for research institutions, personal support for enterprise clients like government, livestock departments, and then you have community engagement through partnerships with veterinarians. As I earlier stated, these veterinarians are always in field and they can provide the feedback about how the model is actually performing. And then you have the customer segments. We have the primary users and the secondary users. So the primary users can be actually described as the actual users, and then the secondary users are the customers. Yeah, they are customers, but they didn't actually use the API directly. So we have the veterinary clinics, livestock farmers, and animal health workers among our users. And then among our customers, we have agricultural researchers and government disease control agencies. Thank you. I'm going to invite my colleague. I'll start from here. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Benjamin Chadek, and I'm here to continue from where my colleague has stopped on the presentation of our business canvas model. And if I talk about the key resources, our key resources will include disease data sets, AI infrastructure like graphical processing units, such as the GPUs and cloud computing, and then expertise from machine learning engineers and veterinary consultants. Then if we are to talk about the channels, we are aiming to deliver our solution through a mobile app and web dashboard for veterinarians, API integrations with livestock systems and partnerships with non-government organizations and government programs. And if I talk about our cost structure, our costs include fixed expenses like cloud infrastructure and salaries, maybe salaries to the machine learning engineers we want to cooperate with, and variable costs like data acquisition, compliance, and marketing. And lastly, if I talk about the revenue streams, we aim to generate revenue through a subscription model for veterinary clinics, through pay-per-use APIs for research institutions like non-governmental institutions, maybe like the Ministry of Animal and Fisheries, and grants from government and non-government organization partnerships. So in summary, our early East Coast fever detection system leverages AI to revolutionize livestock health and offer rapid, scalable, and cost-effective solutions. So that's it from our group. Thank you very much.